Hello everyone, welcome to a new Etendo video. In this tutorial, we will explore the budget functionality, part of the financial report budget module in the financial extensions bundle. The primary function of the budget feature is to allow users to create and manage budgets for both income and expenditures, specifically for reporting purposes. This capability offers the possibility to compare your defined budgeted values against the actual values posted in the corresponding general ledger. A warning regarding functionality is necessary. If you do not have the Financial Report Budget module from the Financial Extensions bundle, this window will operate in a legacy version with limited capabilities. In that limited version, you will not be able to include GL items in the actual values considered for the budget report. The report will lack the difference column, and dimension filters will not include all accounting dimensions. Let's look at the data definition, starting with the header. The header defines the main data for each budget. This includes the organization to which the budget belongs, a name for identifying the budget, the year to which the budget applies, and a description for additional or explanatory information. There is an active checkbox used to enable or disable the budget. Also in the header, the user can find the Export Actual Data checkbox. When this is checked, actual values will be exported to the Excel report in addition to the budgeted values. Next is the Lines tab, where you can add individual budget lines. Each line can refer to a specific period, business partner, or product, among other dimensions. Key fields in the Lines tab include the sequence number, the general ledger or associated accounting ledger, and the account element. The account element is what determines if the budget line refers to an income or an expenditure. You also define the currency in which the budget is expressed. Further fields required for the lines are the period, which is the accounting period corresponding to the line, and the amount. This amount is the budgeted figure, which is the number considered when expressing the difference between the budgeted amount and the actual amount in the generated budget report. The actual amount is the recorded actual amount. This information is updated only once the report is generated, and only if the Export Actual Data checkbox was selected in the header. Optional values include quantity, which is the budgeted quantity, and net unit price. You may also include a description for additional information about the line. Each line also has an active checkbox to enable or disable that specific budget line. Accounting dimensions are available, as shown here, as filters in the Dimensions section, where you can select one value at a time to filter the information shown in the generated report. Now, to use this window, there are two utility buttons available for the user. The Copy Budget button allows you to duplicate lines from previously created budgets. The Export Budget to Excel button generates an Excel document as a report containing the budget information. Finally, the generated report allows for a direct comparison between the budgeted amounts and the actual amounts. The report includes a crucial difference column, which shows the result of subtracting the actual value from the budgeted value, facilitating the analysis of deviations. Also, you can see how we have chosen the product dimension to filter this report, in this case with electricity. This definitely streamlines the financial process of keeping track of resources and comparing budgeted values. Remember that, in order to use this functionality, you need the Financial Report Budget module in the Financial Extensions bundle, compatible from Etendo 22. We hope this video is helpful. For more information, you can check the documentation in the description. See you in the next video.